PCI DSS requirement 1.2.3 calls for you to have an accurate network diagram that's maintained and shows the connections between the CDE, other networks, and includes any wireless networks. There's some important details right there in the requirement statement. Your network diagram has to be accurate, has to be up to date so that it shows what is currently in your environment. It needs to show what is your CDE, like what is in scope for your PCI assessment, as well as other networks, those that are not in scope, and shows whatever NSCs are between them. And finally, any wireless networks, not just those that are in scope, need to be present in your network diagram. Very often I'll go to visit a client's office and we'll look at their first network diagrams, and it's one of the areas we have to work with them to evolve it, to make sure the diagram clearly shows what is in scope, that is what the PCI DSS requirements are going to apply to and they're going to be tested against, and the areas that are not in scope. And it's helpful if the diagram shows us why they're not in scope, what security controls sit between them and the in-scope environment.